Hey Roman, it's Colin. I'm gonna answer sort of do a two for one. Sorry I didn't get this back to you yesterday, but the logo for the WordPress theme, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new logo for you, an actual graphic logo. I think that'll work best. We'll take your existing graphic logo, the text, the little wings on each side of the thing, and make sure that it matches up to the size of your existing one. And what we'll do is just get a graphic. And then you can just use that in WordPress. That'll be a little bit easier to position everything. To match exactly. I mean, you can get it in line and whatnot, but it's getting the exact matching that would be tricky. But if we do it with a graphic, we just make one graphic image and then use that for your logo, and then that's going to be a lot easier to work with. The other thing is the size of the logo in the WordPress theme. I was just talking to Brandon. Yeah, we don't have a sizing for the thing, but I'll show you where the CSS is for it. So here's your Portico theme, and here's your site and your styles folder. Okay. Landing.css is the puppy. Now we made a special style sheet for this because of all the animations for that index page. So let me just open this with I'll just open this with Notepad for now. Okay, and then you can start to see all the bits and pieces right here. Yeah, there's a special tutorial that I put out for the Portico. I'll send you the link anyways. But here's where you change. You can change each tagline size, and there's the font size right there for the website name, and I think you're using 150. Let me just refresh the page here. Okay, so that's what you want, and that's where we're at right now. So the font size here is 150px. So what you would do is just open up the landing.css, change 185 to 150, and if I did it right here in my inspect with element, this thing right here, we'll see there's the landing CSS, there's the 185. Let's just change this to 150. Oops, and not lose it. And there we go. That's what you'd want right there. And then, yeah, we have it right there. And you can also tweak the top and left positions as well, as you see here. Okay, so this is the one here. So left and top is set to, we've got 10 and 225 there, and 150. What do we have for the other side? 10, 215. Yeah, so you'd want to tweak this to 225. In other words, change this to 225, change this to 150, and then you'd end up with an identical look. But see, I'm flipping between browsers right now, as you can tell, because things are changing, and then you'd have an exact duplicate of the two. So just change those two things there, 150, 225. Like I said, for the logo, when we get into the site, what I suggest we do is just we create a we're going to, and you can't see it here, so we'll take this graphic, these two end graphic bits, and the text and the size of the text, and we'll duplicate that. We'll make a new logo with everything in it in one image, and then you can pop it in there. And then if we need any sizing and tweaking after that, it'll be easier, because these are like three separate components in WordPress. But in the template, they're using a position of fixed. In WordPress, they don't. That's why I'm suggesting we just make it one graphic. It'll be a lot easier.